Did you ever get any of my messages?
I don't have my phone.
What about the messages from your secretaries?
I got one message from her today. She says Joanne called, but she wasn't in. We had
red line.
Brenna normally gives me my messages. Brenna's been out because Brenna's being married.
Yeah.
So Gina's kind of like storing them and putting them on Brenna's desk. I ended up getting a message today because Brenna wasn't in. I said, has Joanne called? Oh yeah, she left about 3 messages here for you. I'm like, well, why did you give them to me?
What happens with your voicemail?
I don't have my phone. I don't have anything anymore. My phone, the back on my phone died. It doesn't hold together, so it keeps shorting out. So I have been using somebody else's, actually my other cell phone, which I have to give the number to.
What happens then when the fact that you're actually, like in other words, when I dial it, I actually get a message with your voice? Where is that?
It's sitting there in virtual land right now.
That goes automatically.
Yeah.
But see, nobody ever leaves me voicemail because
It's very interesting.
I never have my
Because
phone.
the energy.
Yeah.
So,
I did that, but then I called the office too.
and then I got those today, which was that he would call me and ask me, it was when I found we had seen you today anyway.
14%
But those are the ones that I got.
more energy.
And you said you do think you have a contact with
than in the bottom.
Try to see what was going on, but that's biology, we'll see what happens.
Left and right is balanced. So pale, yin and yang is a little bit unbalanced. This balanced situation between the top and bottom of the body. So that means that energy from the top of the body couldn't flow to the bottom.
One of the priests told me that.
Could happen that you
Yeah, that'd be good.
scare, Narben, what is if you cut scar. Or it could be happen on problems with the spine, that the energy doesn't flow, and the therapist have to find out what's the reason for that. More energy in the top of the body, less energy in the bottom of the body.
What's your take on that, Dr.
Too
Bakuzis?
much on top, too little on the bottom.
Right. See, it's not flowing top to bottom.
Ground yourself. Ground yourself. Draw your energy down.
We find 3 meridian systems which are unbalanced or which are less of energy. Triple heater, bladder meridian, and bladder meridian in combination with kidney meridian system, and spleen, pancreas.
Those are the ones you were saying were low.
Yeah, those are long.
And those are the problem areas. The last one is correlation between the fire elements and water elements.
So this would have to be some kind of transfer scar. Well,
It could be a scar, but it might have to be a scar.
Could it be an emotional scar as well as a physical scar, or does it make any difference?
Normally, if it is, it depends on emotional problems. The result is even in another way. More emotion, the bladder meridian is more balanced and kidney meridian is even more unbalanced. And in this situation, bladder meridian is even more unbalanced and kidney is even more balanced. So I think it's even more a physiological problem than an emotional problem. We tested also phosphorus D30 because it's used especially on influenced by electromagnetic fields, but there's no really good reaction. So I think it's not the main problem.
Battery?
It says we got 232 minutes.
So, do you have the governor and consumption vessel in the teeth?
Yeah, you should.
Which odontins are
I
there?
don't, I never do the event. 90% of the time, it's just for people. But
I don't remember my check.
Vol doesn't talk about them through there.
I know.
They're unpaired meridians. One runs the front, one runs the back.
Because the teeth all seem to be paired.
Yeah. They're in there. I mean, they have to be in there. I don't know if he runs them so that. Just like
There's a couple that aren't paired though. I'm telling you, which ones they are. I just remember looking at the,
This was meditation.
This was meditation.
This is clear.
This is clear.
You know, it's funny. There's some of the waters that we had from 3 years ago. Still bottled up clear. Clear as you can believe. I had some stuff that Alderson gave me that he's packing with Lex, some big gift baskets and stuff. There is fungus all over that stuff. Grows up just because he lives in that fungus, which is dirty. You know, and I don't have any idea what he was packing in this box.
What's it in? What kind of eye?
Do you have remedies in the
Plastic.
computer that you can check?
You can't start like that.
Not at the moment. We try to
Can't
do
start with
that.
plastic.
At the moment, we have
We would totally
used
change everything.
remedies
It
that
doesn't
like
matter
this.
with plastic or glass. It's
I can't know.
the glass
Should we
bottles
do it
that we
just-
sold with the Turkish Spy Water 1s and 2s.
That'll apply to me.
Hmm?
All that apply to me. at
You
least.
might have Candida also.
Ended up losing all the energy. There was no bubble left of the stuff at all.
I suspect I still got problems with Candida. I
It
was
looked
treated
the same,
for it.
it looked the same, it looked the same. I think it was taking
It's
the stuff
going
and
in
mixing
large.
it all up and
In
blending
the
it
last few
through.
days,
Yeah.
stuff is
Candida
about
Stuff
as
that carries it everywhere, right directly.
inescapable as air.
It will still end up looking exactly the same, it doesn't change at all. The only thing it is like a little, the white powder on the bottom, just a touch. Because I found one of the little gift packs that they had.
Clear is even better.
And it's just-
clear as what?
Clear is even better than meditation.
Claire is the one that I did last time. Can we just try Candida? Just-
Of course, yes. And with still the same result, the energy in the upper side of the body is in the green area, in the normal area, but the energy in the downer side of the body is still less of energy, especially the area of the bladder meridian system.
Did you try breaker? Have you tested breaker?
No? Should have tested breaker too?
Yeah, she was mentioning Candida.
When did you ever test two together at the same time as a combination?
Yeah, I do.
It's unnecessary to do a combination, testing a combination, because if you drink the formulas, you drink one
Right.
in the morning and the other one in the evening, but not together.
So you don't want them tested together?
It's not necessary to test it together because we have seen that one formula especially increases the energy and the other one balances the energy, for instance. And
But
if
are
you
you
test it
actually,
together,
are you actually at any point in time, after you're doing it, seeing what the balancing is occurring, putting them on two formulas that they're taking during the day, not necessarily simultaneously drinking them, but separated? Are you doing that?
we have seen that the body normally says no to a combination. So you get bad results, bad energetical results. The energy decreases and it's almost unbalanced. More unbalanced than if you test it not together.
But you're saying, what I'm saying is, in other words, not simultaneously in the sense of actually drinking them like it would, if it was 1 o'clock in the afternoon, not drinking them at 1 o'clock at the same time. But say if you were splitting it in the day, like having one, say, at night and the other one during the day.
The same formula or
No.
two different?
Right.
If you have to use two formulas, it's even better to split it. One, for instance, in the morning, especially, we have seen that especially the formulas which increases the energy is even better to use it in the morning.
Right, but that's what I'm saying. Are you working with people? That's what you're doing. In other words, for example, giving them breakers, say, in the morning or during the day, and then having them take clear at night.
Of course, yes.
And
But
then
when
just-
you test them, you don't test them both in the hand at the same
We
time.
That's
don't
not
test them
what-
both in the hand.
An overload with information. And this is Candida?
This is Candida.
Do you have any other molds or fungi to test for?
We have lots of products in our testing boxes.
But,
For instance,
but with you, everything with you.
yeah. For instance, from the parasites, Bacillopsis buski, Heliobacter, Candida, Coxsackie virus, and several things.
You have diphtheria?
Sorry?
Diphtheria, pertussis?
No.
What else do you
I have
Rhizopus.
Rhizopus is one,
You had,
penicilliums.
Penicillin? You may have that. Penicillin?
No, I think it's not in the.
In the center.
I've got the list in my.
You had
phone.
brucellosis as well, too.
Is it in my office?
Yeah, I brought a copy.
Maybe they have one in the bench.
Hmm?